1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need somebody to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my eye, but I've been waiting for you for my whole lifetime, for my whole lifetime. Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see you focused, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You've got something to say and I'm here to listen. So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. I've been so into your mystery. It's because of our history. Are you into me? When it feels so good but it's bad for you. Can't say I don't want you cause I know I do. Come on over, I need your company. Craving that synergy. Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see you focused, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You've got something to say and I'm here to listen. So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. Tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. If you're down, don't hide it. Tell me you don't gotta deny it. Baby, you gonna make me overnight it. Tell me, are you down? If you're down, don't hide it. Tell me you don't gotta deny it. Baby, you gonna make me overnight it. Tell me, are you down? Tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. Tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this awesome T52 4G tenor size uke. And truly, this is my favorite model to play because the tone sounds incredible. It's very warm and rich, dynamic, and also for the price you pay for this instrument, you're gonna get a lot of quality that you won't find anywhere else. So grab a hold of your T52 4G today by clicking on that link in my description box below. Again, thanks for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another ukulele play along that I know you're going to enjoy, and I hope that you break out your ukulele and jam along with me. So click that link, and I'll see you right over there.